do. You already know what it is. Another session. If you haven't sold, like and subscribe. And we in the East right now, so yeah, take this trip with us. Ski you! Oh, we on. We on, baby. Let's go. We on MLK Anaheim. Check it out. Ooh. Got the plaza right there. Louisiana fried chicken. Ooh. On 10 MLK. What it do? What it do? What it do, man? Oh, this boy's still sleeping.
Woo! Gonna be a hot one, though.
Gonna be a hot one. Headed down Alamedos. Straight down. Downtown. Hey, we at, man. We at. That Ocean Boulevard. Them towers. Been here for years. Hella years, decades, fuck. Huh? Green light, go with the car, straight down, right? Let's go. All the way.
All the way straight?
All the way, gotta go! Go! Y'all see that? Queen Mary. Ooh-wee. Hey, back then, right? Y'all, when y'all was little, y'all thought that was whales in there, right? That shit not whales. What's in there? Is a theater in there? Convention center? Yeah, I'll be tripping. Back when you were, right? Ceviche is nothing, man. How many times you do this, bruh? For real. Let's go. Going up. Whew. Oh, leg burner, bro. Yeah, I drink enough. I drink enough. Not too bad though. I woke up pretty cool. Just need that coffee. Oh, he constipated. Oh.
All over again,
Oh shit. Oh. Hey, do it again, man. Do it again. Oh. Oh shit. Do it again. You look like Captain Morgan right there. Oh shit, there, right? He got your place.
See the laundry?
Oh, that was a mission because I think coming back was the wind, right?
Yeah,
the wind fucked us up.
Like 24 miles. 2 miles from last week.
Yeah, that was a.
But this thing, fucking bike trail that was like nothing. So I should be going like that.
Man,
Nigga, that's what killed me, nigga.
And that shit was hot that day too, right? Oh,
that was cool.
it was breezy.
Then the wind fucked it up for us.
Going back, yeah, going back.
Because we were pushing on the way there, but then the way back is when it was.
Took breaks. Yeah, I got all that. That was in that other video. Yeah, that other video. Yeah, check it out. Let's go. Hey, that shit already low. Damn, that shit already packed, huh? It's already packed, bro. Look, what time is it right now? Like what? 10?
About to be 10, yo.
About to be 10? No, you're good. Ooh. Left, right, left. What? Damn, that shit is tight. Hell yeah, that's about like $2 grand. Maybe even 3. Hey, y'all should try that class, bro. Joey? Damn, they twerking. That's crazy. I should teach you how to twerk. It's me. Oh shit! Oh shit! Left, right, left. Woo-wee. On me. Skee-oo. Oh snap! We at Cherry Beach right now. Let's go. Whew. What's this? Junipero? The Asian folks say Junipero? What the Asian folks call that? Junipero? What? Hell yeah, let's go. Fool. Say that again, man. He said cream barbecue. So he said like it's been too long, and that's his stomach talking. Oh. Yeah, SF still fat. Oh shit.
What your stand for? Short fuck?
Damn. Hey, that was a good one. Damn. So we got a bridge coming up. Whew. All gas, no brake, baby. Let's go. Ah. Let's go, let's go. All the way. All the way. Let's go. Ooh-wee. Let's go. There you go. Oh, damn, Chop Charles. Chop Charles on the move. Sheesh. And I'm over here recording and petting at the same time. Goddamn. That's hard work, baby. Ooh. Ooh. Let's go. Let's go, Savit. Good shit, bro. Good shit. Ah. Goddamn. And we made it. Woo-wee. Ah. That was a good one, though. Let's go. All the way, bro. All the way. Just go all the way. It's easy money right now. Still got gas in the tank, bro. Let's go. Made it to Seal Beach. Savit, how you feel, man? You alright? Yeah. You good? Easy money? You ready for Bosa or what?
Hell nah. This is killing me.
Ah, come on. Give me bullshit.
I gotta get used to this wheel.
This is easy money. Woo! Check it out. We just gonna go straight at it. About to just hit up. About to just hit up. About to just hit up Bosa. Let's go. Y'all heard the conversation earlier. I asked Savit, is he ready? We're just gonna go straight shot that shit. Let's see if he came along. Hold on. Alright. Anybody back there? No. Oh yeah, he back there. He got no choice. Ooh-wee. We just gonna keep going. Fuck it. Hey, what's good, player? You alright? Easy ride or what?
Easy money, baby.
Easy money, man. What's good, Chop Charles?
Player from the Himalaya.
Oh, ways. Yes, sir. Some thunder from down under. Oh, shit. Ooh, oh, shit. Oh, crikey. Sweetie, you alright? We gonna go a little further? We gonna keep going or what?
Yeah, I'm going a little further that way.
Let's go. He talking about shotgun. What the? Come on, man. You serious? Steady or what?
I'm down. This store right here. I'm down.
We're gonna stop by a shotgun and then we on.
4 pack. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ooh.
2 each.
2 each.
2 shotgun each right there.
Damn. I'm trying not.
Just get
Trying
a
not to drink.
yourself and shotgun that shit. Okay then.
I don't know. I'm like 50-50 right now.
Last one drill a hole in that shit.
Sound fun. Bet. I don't know. Just watch and see. Just keep on watching. Woo-wee.
Well, he looking on top of your head right now.
Ooh, check him out. Ooh. But you ever seen the baby do pull-ups? Baby pull-ups. Look at them baby pull-ups. Look at them baby pull-ups. Look at them baby pull-ups.
Damn, we didn't accomplish our mission. We did not accomplish our mission. We were supposed to go post it, but damn. Child Charles had to, you know, had to take a shit. So shit. Next time we gonna get him though. We gonna get him. You know? We gotta motivate everybody. Just keep going. All the way. Let's go, baby. Back to 2nd Street. Get some goddamn breakfast. Ew. Clean. For real. Hey, let's go in and out, huh? Fuck it. In and out, in and out. Let's go, fool, in and out. In and out, cross the street. Let's go. I need something in my system before a fucking shotgun. Look at that boy go. Look at that boy go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Come on. You can do it. Oh man, I can't get it. Did that easy, huh? Remember the first time we did this shit? Somebody sink that boat. It's all a little easy money. Easy money, man. Hey, watch out, car, fool. Car, fool. Need some dumbass drivers too. For real. Woo-wee. I'm gonna take a mini break. Woo-wee. Check what I got though. Sheesh. Don't that look good? Let's go. Well deserved. Let's do this. Damn. That shit is fire. Oh, look at him go. Ooh, that boy hungry. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Ooh-wee. Can't go wrong with some in and out. That shit is fuego. Let's go.
Yeah, y'all down? Damn. How that bubblicious bubble gum? Look, all this ocean water, you still salty as fuck, girl.
And that is a wrap. We're gonna end our session there. Make sure you like and subscribe. Good session, and we is done for today. Hope y'all enjoy and like and subscribe.